Hi, this is Alessio. Hope you're well. In this video, I just want to give you a very quick update on the chart of Bitcoin. So we'll have a look at this chart of Bitcoin and see what the potential patterns are now telling us. Join me. All right, guys, welcome back. Before we talk about Bitcoin, let me just tell you where I am. I'm currently in the town of Kissimmee near Orlando, Florida. I got to tell you guys, compared to what I was experiencing 2 weeks ago in London, I mean, London was absolutely freezing cold when I left. Right now here in Florida, absolutely amazing weather. Anyway, let's just take a walk here and we'll talk about Bitcoin. So as I'm sure you probably know from the last video I posted on Bitcoin about a week ago, we said that Bitcoin, there's some good news and some bad news on Bitcoin. We mentioned first of all that Bitcoin was still below its weekly 21 moving average after some weeks, which is usually a sign of weakness. However, on the positive side, the good news is that we're still above key support. Key support at that level you see there at the 41K level. And we said as long as Bitcoin remains above that support level at the 41K level, then there's a chance of seeing capitulation on Bitcoin at near that spike low, near the 41K level. Now, as I'm making this video, as I'm sure you've probably seen by now, Bitcoin has made a higher low. That's a good sign, it's a positive sign. So it's a good sign Bitcoin has managed to make a little bit of a rally here and now establish a higher low. As I'm sure you know, a higher low is usually a sign of an uptrend. So as you can see here, we have that low we made at the panic close near 41K approximately there, and we have this higher low approximately the $45,000 level. However, as I'm making this video right now, Bitcoin is still below resistance and is still below the weekly 21 moving average, that blue line you see there on my chart. So I think if bulls are going to persuade us, and I think bulls for now have some control, as long as Bitcoin remains above that $45,000 support, that recent low that it made there, bulls have some degree of control right now. So if Bitcoin is going to prove to us that it's going to move into an uptrend, what it needs to do at a minimum is to break above that recent resistance high, approximately near 52K, and essentially get above the weekly 21 EMA by the same level. So that's really what I have here. I'm going to keep it short and simple. So I think it's a good sign. It's a positive sign that Bitcoin has managed to put in a higher low, usually a sign of an uptrend. But if Bitcoin is going to persuade us, if Bitcoin is going to increase the probability that we're going to go towards 100,000 by the middle or the end of next year, 2022, then at a minimum, Bitcoin has to stay above the $45,000 level, the recent low that we made there. So Bitcoin bulls have to protect that level, that key support level near the 45K level. If the odds are going to increase, then we're going to move into an uptrend. And also very important, Bitcoin has to break above and close above that key level, the 21 weekly EMA, and the near resistance, approximately 52K. All right, guys? So Bitcoin has not yet done that. So provided Bitcoin can do those two things that I mentioned, again, remain above support, near 45K, and get above that key resistance level, near 52,000, then the odds could potentially increase quite significantly that we could move towards the $100,000 level by the middle to the end of next year. By the way, I should just mention in this video that if Bitcoin fails to get above the 21 weekly EMA and get above the 52,000 resistance level soon in the next week or two, then the odds could significantly decrease. So if we're going to see a resumption of the uptrend, then Bitcoin needs to hurry and do this quite fast. I'm not going to get some breakfast. I haven't had any breakfast or coffee this morning. So hope to see you guys in the next video update. Cheers, guys. Bye now.